Privet, you from Ukraine?
Yes.
Waduh, where do you live? India. Halo. Are you
No.
you from where? Singapura.
No.
Terus dari mana? Where are you from? Hah?
Guess.
Hah? Cash.
You guess where?
You from Pakistan,
No.
Bangladesh.
No.
Terus mana dong? Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka.
Thailand.
So where?
No.
Hah?
Thailand.
Thailand. Wah,
Thailand.
why don't you look like Thailand? Your appearance like Indian or Pakistan. Sawadikap dong, sawadikap. Tukang sulap, makan lahap gitu. Benang lomba. You win competition. You have piala cup in your cabinet. You have achievement behind you tuh. You have a cup. You know, cup piala apaan sih bahasa Inggris? Trophy. Iya. What did you win?
I can sing.
Oh, you sing. So you are the champion of the singer. Gitu. Sing what? What kind of music do you sing?
Actually, this is related with religion.
Oh, religion.
Yeah.
Oh, musik religi. What is your religion? Apa? Agama lo?
Islam, Muslim.
Oh, you Muslim? Iya, Muslim tuh. I thought you are not Muslim. Kali. So it is apa? Tilawati. Apa sih? Tilawah. Baca Quran. Read the Quran.
Yeah.
Oh, aduh, menang MTQ deh. Your name siapa? Nama lu siapa?
Emily.
Waduh, very good namanya. And you, the little one? Hana. Emily and Hana. What do you learn right now? Mathematics.
Homework.
Yeah, homework. What the subject? Mathematics or
Actually,
Penjaskes?
this is
What? Apa ya?
life plan goals.
Life what? Life livelihood. Oh, PPKN. Ada. PPKN di sana ada ini nggak, buku tahunan nggak yang biasa duitnya dimakan sama panitianya? Enggak deh. Dan duit renang. You like swimming?
Yeah.
Swimming itu. Di sana ada renang nggak? Biasanya kan duitnya dikorupsi sama guru renang. Balik nanya dong. Gue capek nanya mulu. I'm from Indonesia. Lu nggak nanya?
Where are you from?
Indonesia. Indonesia. Kita rival in football, you know. Thailand versus Indonesia. Do you play game nggak? Sometimes. What games did you play?
Mobile Legend.
Mobile Legend. Waduh. What character do you use? Kari.
Lila.
Waduh, pakainya Lila deh, boneka. boneka. I use gourd. Cur. The lesser one. I'm using mage. Mage. Iya. Kapan-kapan main lah kita. When we can play together. Mabar. What is your rank? What is your rank?
Rank.
Iya. Grandmaster. Oh, deh, mati jiwa-jiwa udah Grandmaster. Yeah, I'm Grandmaster too.
I can play. I play sometimes because of studying.
Oh iya, because you busy studying. Jangan busy studying, main Mobile Legends aja. Biar masa depan ente cerah. I used to epic, but the rank is turun. Ranknya turun. Apa sih? Degradation. I get the degradation to Grandmaster. Because the season is finished. Seasonnya selesai. Iya, do you like kill Lord? Lord in the Mobile Legends. Suka gak ente nge-kill Lord? Lord has deployed. Gitu. And you kill the Lord saat gitu pakai ST level 1. Iya, what else do you use usually beside Lila? Beside Lila, what else do you use? Just Lila. Only Lila. Do you use another character? Like a funny.
I always use marksman like Rafaela.
Oh, Rafaela is not marksman. She is support. Marksman is Hanabi, you know. Iya si siapa lagi tuh? Laila. Halo. Привет. You from Ukraine?
Yes.
Waduh, where do you live?
Lviv.
What? Lviv. Oh, Lviv. How is Ukraine right now? Is it safe? Good. So. Is there any war over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, between you and Russia.
Russia хуйня.
Russia хуйня. What is хуйня?
It's a very bad war.
Bad word. What's the meaning of that? Oh, bad word.
Hello.
Привет. You from Russia?
Yes. Ты умеешь дрочить?
Oh, я не понимаю русский.
А я твой язык.
Ura. Do you know Ura? What is Ura? Или кипадиаде. Ura gitu.
Вот хуй, да? Вот, кто? What's your name? What's your name? Сколько время? What's your name?
Warnem Talioyo.
Oh.
Talioyo.
Talioyo.
And what's your name?
Do you speak Russian?
Я не понимаю.
Okay.
What's your name? Sabi nama lo. What's your name?
What?
What's your name?
What's your name? I'm Yul. I'm Настя. I'm Christina.
Yulia, Nasha, Christina. Oh,
Yes,
ada
yes.
trio. You are trio, eh? Trio kwek. Are you from Moskva? Eh,
No, Kazan. No,
Kazan.
Kazan.
Oh, Rubin Kazan, eh.
Где ты живешь, как спросить?
Do you know Rubin Kazan? Ya, dia mati. Rubin Kazan. Ada. Ini terasa sungguh Semakin utang numpuk.
I don't. Sorry. I don't know English. I don't
English.
know English.
Oh, you can.
We speak English. We speak English.
Iya, I speak English. Christina kocak juga ya. Christina. Kenapa?
Что? Как что на английском? Watch. Who?
Ada Christina.
Sorry, I don't know English. Я знаю. I don't know speak English.
I don't know speak English. Lebih ngaco lagi. I don't speak English, benar.
English 50-50.
50-50. Lu kira man wants to be millionaire 50-50.
What is the question? No. I don't know. Speak English.
Dari tadi speak English. Instagram. Do you play Instagram?
Yes.
What is your Instagram?
У меня 344.
Very good. Very good lagi, very hard. Right dong, right.
Right. Напишу.
Iya, tulis. Tuh, lu mau dong giginya loli. Ya, tahun ntar gede ya kan. Subscribe.